And tower, the Echo Sierra Mike, we're on downwind now for 2-1.
Echo Sierra Mike, Roger, number 1 for 2-1, report to finals.
Roger, call you finals 2-1, Echo Sierra Mike. Happy now, you can see it?
I think that's it, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. You can see the windsock at the end, you can see the little orange fleck there at the end of the runway.
Right, I can see the runway, yeah.
Yeah. So, it's all yours. Descend as you wish, get yourself set up. Okay, so turn them on.
Have the runway.
Okay.
So 20 degrees, please.
Okay, you have 20.
Power's coming back.
Okay, take the power off completely.
Power's off. Up the nose for the speed at 80. All white lights, so we can go a little lower. Move the mixture fully forward now.
Yep. And Sierra Mike is 1.5 mile final for 2-1.
Echo Sierra Mike, clear to land, runway 21, surface wind 200 degrees, 08 knots.
Roger, clear to land 2-1, Echo Sierra Mike.
Prop coming in.
Okay.
All the height.
Okay, you needn't aim for the numbers, we have to go to the end anyway,
okay.
So fly it on down. Fly it on down, fly it on down. That's it. Okay.
Echo Sierra Mike on the ground, time for 1 taxiway Bravo and parking at the light aircraft stand.
Roger, Bravo and light aircraft stand, Echo Sierra Mike.
That's changed. They put us up in front of it the last time, Titan.
No, the last time I was in here, we were on just on the main ramp there, yeah.
Nice looking new machine there as well, isn't it?
It's a fancy looking machine, is right. Okay, so I guess just nose it in there somewhere, anywhere at all. Or
Okay.
nose it out, whatever you fancy yourself.
Yeah, probably out, wouldn't it?
Yeah, just turn it all the way around, yeah. Wind is benign enough, so.
Take an easier run in.
That's it, just all the way around, we can push it back.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it, that's grand.
Okay.
Well done.
Okay,
So just start turning avionics
Good
go
job.
off.
yeah.